Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you quickly through a demonstration of the travel adapter that we're carrying on our Amazon page. This is the SL308, which you probably come across on our page. So we'll just quickly open up the box itself. Inside you'll find the manual for the device and the travel adapter itself. So the travel adapter is fairly simple and compact, as you can see. This is the face where you'd actually plug in your device, and on the other side you'll see the various international adapters, and on this side we have the USB ports, including the Type-C USB port. In order to engage any of the international adapters, all you got to do is simply push down on the appropriate slider that you require, and you'll see the adapter plug come out. And you can see that they're pretty strong, and they won't go back in unless you actually disengage the slider, which you do by sliding it down, back out. Similar, you can engage the other ones, same thing, same mechanism. Again, they won't go back in unless you push down, slide back out. And there's also one more here. You can twist these depending on the configuration you need. Also in this adapter is the built-in surge protector, where you'll find a fuse built in here. There's two fuses. One is the working fuse, and then one is the spare fuse located in here. You can replace the fuse just by opening up the fuse compartment and taking out the fuse. The fuse is there. And you can push it back in. And lastly, we'll just show you how it looks when it is plugged in. There's a small LED here, so I will get that plug out and I'll plug it into my power source. You'll see that the LED will go on to show you that the adapter is functioning. Okay. Take the LED out and it'll turn off. Basically, I'll pull it back for storage, and that's pretty much it, guys. Anyways, that is the travel adapter. You can see the specs on our Amazon page. Anyhow, if you enjoy it, thanks. Bye.